honey. I pay you breakfast.
Oh, actually, I'm not that hungry, but, you've got all this, right?
Of course, honey. I don't want you to be late again.
Oh, yeah.
Love ya.
Love you too.
Oh, well, good morning to you, sir. Did I catch you at a good time?
Sorry,
Ray Kirkpatrick, entrepreneur extraordinaire. Now, seems to me that you're a very busy man, but you look like you could use a hand. Now, I might be able to help you become a better, more efficient domestic god. Now, what have you heard about dustpans?
That they collect dust.
Exactly. They collect dust, but not in the way that you want them to. Am I right?
Well, that's all they do.
Are you sure that's what you heard? You see, what I'm proposing is, what if it could do more? What if it could hold your wife's beer? What if it could comb your hair?
What are you on about?
The No Dust 1000 comes with these attachments that will make your multi-purpose tool obsolete. The No Dust 1000 can do it all. 5 out of 4 experts agree that this was made by hygiene nuns in the mountains of Lithuania. And did I mention the next big thing in home defense? DustChucks.
DustChucks?
That's right. You take this little doohickey here, you loop it through, connect it to your second No Dust 1000, and my friend, you're in business. Carbon fiber, military grade, the same stuff they put on space shuttles.
How much?
Well, you see, I'm glad you asked, Mr.
Shaw. Drew Shaw.
Well, Mr. Shaw, for today only, it's a door-to-door special of 5 easy payments of $199.99, with tax, of course.
No, that's too much.
Well, I tell you what if I make it 4 payments and I'll throw in this lovely case with it? How about that?
Well, hold on. Let me go get the money.
Oh, take your time, sir. Take your time.
DustChucks! I got $1.99 and 72 cents.
My friend, you caught me on a good day. I'll take it. But I will be back tomorrow with the paperwork we got to fill out.
Hey, babe, I forgot my lunch. What's going on here?
Business, unfortunately.
Hey, honey, so I was getting these for us to make cleaning easier. And, they can hold your beer and comb my hair and,
DustChucks.
It sure was nice meeting you folks.
Get the out of here.
Yes, ma'am.
A male saleswoman. What's next? A male president? Come on. We already had one.
love you. DustChucks! DustChucks!
He knocks on your door with a crooked grin, slick back hair and a case full of sin. Says, lady, I got what you need today. It's DustChucks, and they'll blow you away. They're slippers, they're sponges, they bottle top tools. They unclog your pipes and exfoliate mules. They polish your teeth and they double as snacks. Don't ask how it works, just trust the facts. DustChucks, wipe your